Joe McKee and welcome to AndrogAllure. Today we'll be going over the looks that can be found in Moda magazine's October mini. Let's begin. So I have my model Skylar here, and our first look is going to be based on innocence, kind of something bright, something fresh, and then our next look is when we transfer into the dark. So we go from Moda in the light and Moda after dark. So I'm going to start and use a Smashbox primer all over her face, especially in the T-zone. Alright, and then next, I'm going to go in with her foundation. And I'm actually going to use my Makeup Forever Flash Palette. I'm going to use the white and I'm going to mix it with her normal foundation to kind of flush her out a little bit. So now we have her just a little bit flushed out, a little bit lighter than her normal, but it has a little bit of coverage as well. Next, we're going to set that all using my new favorite product. It's the NYX Mineral Setting Powder in light, and it's this, set it, don't fret it. Amazing. And then I'm also going to take a white setting powder as well and take that into her highlight areas, and then we're going to just let that set. Alright, so next we're just going to brush all of this off. Now just to give her face a little more light, I'm going to use a little bit of highlighting. And I'm going to go in with Arbonne's Sheer Glow Highlighter. I'm just going to take that on the high points of your face. Now I'm going to go in with just a highlighting powder as well, just to bring it out even more. Alright, now for the fun part. I'm going to start flushing out all of her features, so her eyebrows, her eyelashes, and her lips especially. And to do that, I'm going to use my NYX Jumbo Pencil in Milk. This is a great product, and it'll go on everything. Alright, now I'm just going to go in with a really just a nude lipstick, nude pink. I'm going to go in just in the center. Now I'm just going to go in with very light contouring and use some cool tones just to give her a little bit more shape. So now I'm just going to prime her eyes and just do a little bit of just a light shadow. I'm going to use the same color that I used to contour. Alright, so now I'm just going to go in with just a little bit of a lighter color, and I'm just going to put that all over her lid. And there you have it. That is the look for Innocence Moda in the Light. Now we're going to move on to Moda After Dark. For this look, it's going to be a lot warmer, a lot more bold, and just a little bit more interesting as well. But to begin, we're going to start by priming her face again using Smashbox primer. Now next up, we're going to take our foundation and we're just going to dot it around her face and then blend it all out. Next, we're going to set it using the NYX Set It, Don't Fret It base powder. Alright, so now that her face is set, I'm going to go in just with a little bit of highlighting powder, highlighting contour powder. And now I'm going to go in just with a little bit of blush to give some color back into her face. Now for the rest of the makeup, we're going to start focusing on the eyes. The eyes and the eyebrows are going to be like a key piece to this look. I'm going to start just by filling in her eyebrows. And I don't want an exact shape. I want them to be bold and natural looking. And I'm going to take a color that's actually severely different than her natural color, because I want them to really pop. So next I'm just going to do some light eyeshadow work. I'm going to take a warm brown and put that on the outer corners of her eyes. And I'm going to blend that out with a fluffy brush. I'm going to go in with a deeper color. A deeper brown, actually. I'm going to use a kind of a maroon color now. And go on the outer corners even further, just to deepen it out. And then I'm going with the dark black. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a really shimmery color and I'm going to put it just on the center of her lid. Now we're going to do a little playing around. I'm going to take the Smashbox primer, I'm going to put a little bit on my hand, and I'm going to scoop out a really dark eyeshadow color. I'm using kind of this dark brown black. You'll want to scoop some of it off so it becomes more of a pigment rather than a pressed powder. Alright, so now that the other eye is finished, we're going to go in with mascara. But first I'm going to curl her eyelashes maybe out. Alright, so now I'm going to double up with some mascara. I'm going to start with just a voluming mascara, and then I'm going to use a flared mascara. Now that she's masquerade, we're going to move on to the lips. For this, I'm going to use a really dark, kind of cranberry color for the lips. First, I'm just going to line it down. And this is Moda After Dark. Thank you for watching.